What's up, everybody? I'm back with another fragrance review. My name is Chris. If you're new to the channel, hit that like button and hit that button below to subscribe. Get all my new content every week, and hit that post notification bell icon too. I appreciate everyone for subscribing to my channel. I appreciate all the subscribers that I do have. It's awesome. I can't believe I have a lot of subscribers. So anyway, let's get to the video. Today we're going to talk about Yvessaintlaurent Ultimate. So stay tuned. So, Yvessaintlaurent Ultimate. It's a great fragrance. You really can't go wrong with it. Let's take a look at the presentation real quick. So, this fragrance is pretty good. Let's talk about projection-wise. Projection, I get about 1 to 2 hours, arm's length. So it's not a bad fragrance at all. You know, it's pretty good for fragrance like this, because a lot of their flankers that they have, they don't really last that good. And it's pretty bad because these are excellent fragrances. They just don't last that good well on my skin. But I've heard other fragrance reviewers on YouTube saying it doesn't last that long either. So I take that. I would like you to take that with a grain of salt. It might work better on you. I hope it does. Let's talk about longevity. Longevity on my skin, it's okay, average. I get 5, maybe 6 hours pushing it. You know, after about 6 hours, it's pretty much a dead skin scent. You know, it's pretty sad. You just don't smell it anymore. You know, it's pretty bad, and I'm pretty sad to tell you guys that. I don't know. I wish I had better information, but I don't on that. You know, it really hurts you guys, but you know, we'll get through it together. Let's talk about season-wise. Season-wise, you can wear this. I see spring and summer. I really don't see this for a winter, you know, type of fragrance at all. I don't think it's going to project through the winter, but you can try it yourself. You know, you're going to buy the fragrance for yourself or for a loved one or a family member or a friend, so it might work better for them. So I'm just letting you know my input that I've tried on my skin. Let's talk about prices. For this right here, this is a 3.4 ounce. It run you about $90. So it's a little high price, but it does smell good. It's more of a fresh smell, like fresh out of shower kind of smell. Really clean person. You know, I can see wearing this dressed up, dressed down for casual. You know, you can't go wrong with that at all. So my ratings for this, I give it 2 out of 5. It's a great fragrance. It's not bad. It's not the awesomest fragrance in the world. It's not the baddest fragrance. It's like kind of in the middle. If you see, you know, see where I'm coming at with this. Compliment wise, I know you guys want to know about that. It's great. Most women like it. They smell it. Oh, you smell good. You smell clean. There's nothing over wow powerful like I need to buy this fragrance right now. They get compliments. It's just a compliment getter. That's it. Point blank simple. So I just want to thank you for watching my channel. If you enjoy my content, please hit the like button. And I appreciate you guys for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you can get post notifications when my videos come out every week, once a week. So I appreciate you watching my channel, and have a nice day.